Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create service section in Elementor. Let's get started. So in order to do that, just click on this add new page right here in order to create a new page. So this will open first the block editor of WordPress instead of Elementor. So on this case right here, you should be able to see some templates, or you can also just choose a blank page. So here are the templates. For this one, let's head over and choose this services right here. So you can head over it and then just use the services and then tweak it later to the Elementor page. So as you can see, we have this right here. So we have a lot of things right here to offer. So let's head over and choose this one. I chose this particular template right here and now it looks like this. Next thing we need to do is we need to head over and then publish it. Then publish it in here in order to actually publish it public view. Once it's been published, you can now start tweaking it on your Elementor. Click on this Edit with Elementor right here, and then this will load your page and open it onto the Elementor website. So here is our Elementor. Just head over and click on this settings right here. Scroll down and in here you can see this page layout. Just choose this Elementor full width right here in order to see the full width of Elementor. Now this will load right here in order to reflect the change that you have just made. And now this looks like this now. Next thing you need to do is you need to head over and then add some things. Like for example, we have in here the services as well as this text right here. You can head over and then just try to change up things. Like for example, you can change it into something like why us? Why choose us? So you can say something like this and then encourage viewers or people to subscribe to your services. Now in here, you can see this image that they have. Just head over and then click on that particular image. You can see it right here on your panel. You can replace it if you want. You can change the orientation or anything. You can also head over and then upload another image in replace to this. Now in here, you can see we have this right here, which is this create anything, this tree right here. You can actually enumerate in here the 3 reasons why they should be able to avail your services. Now in here, we can see that we have in here some buttons. So on these buttons right here, you can link in here some links. So for example, we have in here this get started. They have a link right here. Let's click on this insert edit link. Then just put in here the link that you want to put in this. For example, for this, let's put the link for our contact us page. Now you can head over and then add it right there in order to make this possible. Now you can also do those on the other links you have, and then from in there you can see that they also have already integrated a review system. This will further entice people to subscribe to your services and use your services, and this will bring more clients to you in this case. So just tweak it according to your liking, change up the colors, the theme, this color scheme, add some icons or whatever you want. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.